enemy has been slain.
Yeah, baby! What a shot. Get the heck? Alright, hold on, I'll be right out in 1 second. Really? That was last week's video. I thought we talked about this already. Come back next week or come back later. Alright? Bye. What is going on, YouTube? Ty here. Thanks for dropping by. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It makes me feel good. And I'm just trying to get to 20 subscribers. Help me out, okay? And I want to give a quick shout out to Sean. Hopefully this video helps you out. So I have a cast token, a health potion, strike token, red eye nitro, micro nuke, adamant edge, Windcarver blade, Brawler's ward, brand of the ironeater, micro nuke, and of course, blade of agora. First card you will want to equip is Brawler's ward, followed up by a health potion, and then max out the Brawler's ward with 1-point strike tokens. After that, I'll also equip my adamant edge. The goal here is to get as strong as possible, as fast as possible. Once you hit level 5, start dropping that long arm and a lull on people. For example, this Aurora, she's pushing too hard and she's way too aggressive, so gotta make her pay with this long arm and a lull. She should know better next time. So once I build enough points, I head back, final out my adamant edge. That gives me a bonus of 12 extra power, and then I can equip on my red eye nitro to get some early crit damage. This will give you a total of 20% critical hit chance in an early game. Guess who's back to get that butt whooped? Aurora. Once again, gotta teach her a lesson. As Murdock, I'll be happy to teach you all day, every day. Now it's time to max out that red eye nitro with the last one. Very, very effective. This is where strike tokens and cast tokens come into play. I never like to leave 1 point hanging around in my deck. Next card up, Windcarver blade. At this point we'll build up a little bit of attack speed. When building this card, prioritize your kinetics over your cast token or your strike token. As Murdock, map awareness is key, especially with this ultimate. When you see someone striking like this person here, take your time, lead your shot a little bit, and take them out. Don't worry too much about missing your shot. No matter how good of a Murdock you will never hit every single one of your shots. Next card up is Brand of the Ironeater. This is a great card that gives you lifesteal and critical hit percentage. Oh, how sweet. You thought you were getting away. No. After that smooth kill, I'll go back to base and add a greater drain to my Brand of the Ironeater. While I'm there, I'll replace my adamant edge with my blade of agora and start to load that up with all minor strikes. Hey, I got a package for you. I hope you like it. I think they like it. After that kill, I go back to the tower and I finish out my blade of agora. I also get rid of my health potion and equip another greater drain onto my brand of ironeater. I farm and finally get enough points to finish out my brand of ironeater with another greater wound. There's also a trick to wielding Murdock effectively, is knowing who to attack and who not to attack. I see on the left someone's running away. They're not going to get caught, so I don't attack that guy. But on the right, Howitzer is dealing with a chimera. I take the shot, it looks like a hit. So with that kill and a little bit of farming, I go back to my tower and I equipped a micro nuke. I'll also get rid of my Brawler's War because it's so late in the game, I don't find it necessary. I drop that Brawler's War and finish out my micro nuke. At this point in the game, you can easily solo or prime. Okay, so we head back and we finish out our micro nuke. So right now, all of your cards should be filled and you should be at 60 card points. Alright, so final build time. Stats. Critical hit chance, 80%. Attack speed, 177.7. Physical power, 144. And lifesteal at 22.5. So right now you can monster anybody on the field with no worries at all. If you would like a little more power, on the last micro nuke you can always place another major strike. You have a little more power and your critical hit percentage will be 68%. I'll leave the rest of my matchup so you guys can see how much damage this guy does and how unstoppable he is. You can put down a gravestone in about 4 hits. If I was able to help you at all, please subscribe and become a part of the Black Tie community today. If you would like to see more videos like this or something different, leave a comment below. You never know what could happen.